my name is Lampl, and today I want to show you how easy it is to characterize a crown milled out of a Ceramir CAD cam block using effect shade applied from the inside. This technique ensures long-lasting and natural results. I start by milling a crown from a Ceramir T block. The T stands for translucent, meaning it's designed to mimic the way natural enamel lets slide through. This makes it perfect for applying colors and effects inside the crown, where they blend beautifully and last much longer. Unlike surface staining, which wears off over time, this technique makes the color a permanent part of the restoration. After milling, I begin the characterization process. To create space for the effect shades, I lightly treat the inside of the crown with a diamond burr. This step controls the intensity of the color without the need to adjust the cement gap during the designing phase. Next, I thoroughly clean the crown to remove any debris. I then apply a very thin layer of Edelweiss veneer bond and cure it with light to prepare the surface for shading. Using Edelweiss effect shades, I add the desired colors to the prepared interior. I can replicate a dentine stump with a darker shade at the base or add white spots or halo effects at the incisal edge for a natural finish. After applying each shade, I cure it with light to lock it in place. This process let me build up layers of color, creating a crown that beautifully mimics the look of a natural tooth. With the shading complete, I apply the cement to bond the restoration. What cement you use is completely up to you, but it's important to note that the color of the cement will affect the end result. Since the crown is translucent and mimicking natural enamel, the cement color will shine through slightly. Finally, it's time to polish the crown. The Ceramir material allows for a glossy and smooth surface without the use of a rubber brush. So for this step, all we need is a simple goat hair brush and a cotton brush. By avoiding the use of rubber polishes, we ensure that there's no risk of surface loss or damage to the restoration. The contact points remain exactly as they were designed.